So hello guys, welcome back to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see that how to declare the variable. So let's go to our developer console. This is our developer console. Then go to open ex, open execute anonymous window. Now let's write the code. Let's say string. Let's say string first name so I am declaring the variable and the value I am going to put it in the single quotes. Anything you put in the single quotes makes it a string. Always remember this. So the first name is equals to Pragya. If I want to display anything on the screen, what you can do is use the debug statement system dot of debug. This is used to print something on the screen. So in Java, if you are coming from Java background, we have a system.out.println in Java in order to display something on the console. Similarly, in Apex, you have a system.of_debug in order to display something on the screen. So here I'm going to say that the first name is, then I can use this, then space. Now if you want to see what the value of the variable, you have to write it like this. So you can copy from this. So these things and thing you write in single quotes will be displayed as it is. And then you're saying plus to concatenate, and then you're saying okay, that first name or whatever is the value that is available in the first name will be displayed here. So now let's go ahead and execute and see what is the output. So in order to execute, you're going to say that open log and execute. And I use it. And these are the things that are happening in the background. So no need to focus on this, but these are the things that are running in the background. You can see that there are various things. These are the anonymous logs. These are the things that are going behind the scenes when you are running the code. But we are not interested in this. All we are interested in is debug statements. So what you can do this, you can check on this checkbox and it will only display the debug statement. It tells you that first name is Pragya. So whatever you have written inside the single quotes, inside of the single quotes, it got printed as it is. So you said that first name is, and then this first name, it's get printed. And then whatever is the value of this variable, that's what it's get displayed here. Okay, so that's Pragya. So that's if I go ahead, I've changed the value to Sharma. Then what will happen here is name. This is what I'm saying. This is variable. I've created name. Then the value for the variable is Pragya Sharma. System dot of debug. First name and the name is, instead of this, my name is my name is, and whatever the value of this variable, it will get printed. So what will the output? Output should be my name is, and then Pragya Sharma. What is this? This is a comment. Anything you write after this will be comment. So it will be ignored by the Apex. This is only for your purpose. If let's say if we do use a lot of comments in real time, so that if say I'm a developer on a code, and if somebody else comes in to comment, it will make easier for him or her to understand what that program is doing, what the piece of code is doing. So that's why we write it comments. So comments are ignored by us, so it's only for your purpose. So here I am telling the output should be my name is Pragya Sharma. So in order to write the comments, you can use this black slashes or anything you write inside of this like this. This is called single line comment, and this is known as multiple line. Anything you write in this, hi Pragya, this is a comment. So now let's see what is the output of the program. So the output should be, we'll go ahead, print another NMS log. We are not interested in this information. We are only interested in this debug only section. So as you can see, this is what the output is. My name is then Pragya Sharma. So this is going to be the name that is to be displayed. So if I go ahead and let's say I have defined, so let's say that I have declared my variable of the type string. So if I try to put something else, if I try to put number in this, like, and then I try to put system.debug, then what will be the output? Now let's see what happens. Now in this case, what you have done is, behind the scene, what happening is that in computer memory you have box, and in that box you will have you have inserted the picture, inserted the Pragya Sharma. So this box name is now name. That is the name of the box, Pragya Sharma. It has a value of the Pragya Sharma. Now you are saying that the value of the string type means that it can only have strings inside of quotes. Now you are saying name is equals to 50. Means you are changing the value. It's no longer pointing to Pragya, it's pointing to this number 50. So this case is resulting to error. Why? Why it is resulting to error? Because you have declared the type of this variable as string and you have inserted the number 50 inside it. So this will result into the error. So let's go ahead and hit the execute button. It will tell you that illegal assignment from integer to string. So you're telling the system that I'm going to use a variable of the type string, but I'm now, since you're putting integer value in it, so that's why it's gave you an error. Okay. But now if you try to put name inside this value inside of single quotes, now what happen here is, now anything you put inside the single quotes, it's become string. So now the system will not give you an error. Why? Because now you put this 50 number in the code. So now it is no longer a number, it's become a string. So now if I go ahead and hit the execute button, it will work fine. What will be the output? The output would be, let's see, my name is 50. Why? Because the first time the box had a value of Pragya, and then in the next statement you're saying that, hey, change it to 50. So no longer Pragya, it is now become to 50. So now the new value is 50. So that is how the variables are used. So in the next tutorial, we'll go ahead and do some more examples related to this. So we'll talk about in the next tutorial. Thank you. Bye. Have a good day.